So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will talk about operations. Okay, operators. So we have these minus. This is used for multiplication. Okay, shift 8. Okay, and you can use this for division and proper division. So we use this. We use this for power and we we use this for reminder.
Can
Okay.
you talk a little louder, please?
Yeah, can you see? Can you understand now?
Yeah.
This
No.
is used for reminder
Okay.
or reminders that remind. So here 5 no 10 divide by 2. What will be our answer? Yes, Mustafa. Mustafa,
What happened?
what will be this answer? Mustafa, can't you hear me properly?
Now I can hear you properly.
Yeah. So
Okay.
what will be answer of this?
Is answer is um uh, it will be like 10 divided by 2.
You can use calculator, Mustafa.
Okay. Mama, can I get your mobile? I don't have any calculator. Can I get your mobile?
You can use, but I didn't say you should use calculator.
You can.
Okay. What will be answer? Check.
Okay, let me. 10 divided by 2. No. I cannot use the calculator. It's a very thing. Okay. So answer is like answer is I don't know.
Okay. Just will use time to connect.
This is
Okay,
the
so
correct.
it gives us 5. Mustafa, don't annotate. I know you are annotating. So if I use plus, so see the what will be answer. It will give us 12. After that, we will do minus uh, 8. That will make sense.
No, just close, Jimmy.
After that, we will use multiplication. So see the answer. It will give us 20. And same as division, it will give us 5. And if we use power, so it will give us 100. Okay. And if we use it, so it will give us 0. It means that we have not any type of reminder. It fully divide on it. Okay. But if we use any type of this, we get 1. we can prove this by, okay, so let me get my pad. So here, can you hear me properly?
Yes.
So here we can make our board. Yeah. So first we will do this. After that, we will write here 2 and 11. Okay. After that, we will do this. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal 10. The number should be smaller than it. If, okay, no. If any number is greater than the divisor, that if any number bigger than it, we won't accept it. We need a smaller number. So after that, the answer will 1 and the here we will use 5. Okay, did you understand?
Yes.
But this is not our topic now. So we have used all of right? So
Yeah.
we can use like this too. Mean A is equal to 10. B is equal 2. So we can use print R B A print A minus B. Do that print A multiplied by B. Print A divided by B. Print A. So after that we print A minus by B. What is this type of thing? Okay, done. So firstly we have answer 12 plus what you say 10 plus 2 is equal, what is the answer, Mustafa?
12.
Yeah, 10 minus uh 2 is equal,
8.
very good. 10 minus, no, 10 multiplied by 2 is equal,
10 multiplied by 2. 20.
20. 10 divided by 2, yes Mustafa. Okay, give it. So this was our. Did you understand all of this?
Yes.
So today we will talk about input 2. So the simple input is this, and this is in string. Okay, str. If we want an integer, so we can use b equal. We have to write I and t any integer, and then tab. So after that, we want to use float decimal, so we will use float, and this will float. Let us see if there any boolean. D, here is boolean. After that, E, let us see what float. Complex? I don't know. So E. So see, first integer. We have to only write numbers. Okay. Then after that, this is string. We can write anything. Uh, uh, oh, this was integer. Sorry. So this is string. We can add anything to here. This is integer only. Number will go out. This is float. The only decimals are allowed or integer can also. After that, this is boolean. I don't know what will happen after I write. Oh, it runs. After that, this is evolve, and we can use for it any expression. So see here. This is boolean one, and this is evolve. Okay, did you understand all?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, Mustafa, if I want this into a formatted text, so what will we do? Yes, Mustafa.
So we will just like informatic test. Which one we you wanna make informatic test?
All of this. If I add string here, so that will make it all naughty boy. After that, if I use at here, it will also make naughty boy. And after that, you can use this. So in the end, one, no, no. Uh, 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 one s minus one. So here after that, we can use what? So 0.12. Okay, is this boolean, so we can use false. Okay, cool. After that, this is evolved. We can 0 and see the magic. And ready for error. What? Oh, I haven't tried. Correct. Okay. See this. Mustafa, see here. If we divide any number to 0, it will give us error because this is not allowed. Okay? We can add here 0.1. That will give us 49. See how much bigger is this. We can use here 0.2. Very less. What? Oh, wow. So big number. Let us see this. Control C and let us
Yep.
evolve. Control V. Type error. Oh, it shouldn't spring. Oh, it is in its state. It won't be changed. Okay, did you understand all of this? If yes, so we should end the meeting.
No, don't.
What not, Mustafa?
You stop the recording.
Okay, Lapis.
No.